Focus on excellence. Success will naturally follow you. Currently, I am pursuing my MBA in Human Resources from Alliance University. So I'm glad to share that I have been placed at Gallagher, a multinational company, as a management trainee in talent acquisition. So when I decided to join Alliance University, it was not an easy decision for me, as I was shifting my career from BSc to management, which felt like a huge leap to me. But now that I look back, I'm glad that I have taken that decision. So why I chose Alliance University? Not just because it is one of the top B schools of India, but also it has strong industry connections, which has helped students not only get great placement opportunities, but also internship opportunities. So what I like the most about this campus is the diversity of students, wherein we get an opportunity to learn and interact from a wide range of students coming from different backgrounds and have different perspectives. So what sets Alliance University apart for me is its Corporate Mentorship Programme, wherein we get insights about how the corporate world would be. College has not only provided me with the right education, but has also molded me in every way that has helped me land to this role. So a big thank you to Alliance University